So one of the things right now, the interest rates, I know they're due to come down, but slowly, slowly. But with the current interest rate as they are, how are they affecting mortgage trends right now?
Sure. So interest rates, the hot topic, and it has been for many years. Of course, interest rates are really the tail that wags the dog here is inflation. It's the big word. So inflation, after mortgage rates being at 2 and 3% and artificially kept low by the government so long to try to help everyone through COVID and all of these most recent years, as inflation started to really skyrocket, and the interest rates were raised by the Fed, the short-term overnight interest rates, which are not the mortgage rates. The Fed doesn't control the actual mortgage rates, but those short-term overnight lending rates that other banks and institutions use to borrow funds and either grow. That cost of money got really expensive, and so that hopefully slows down the economy, which it has been doing. Inflation has been trickling down a little bit, albeit much more slowly than everyone wants. And so that's really causing interest rates to only trickle down slowly. We all know they will. We're at kind of a high point right now, and we know they will continue to come down, but it's coming down much more slowly because a lot of the inflation reports on jobs or CPI or CPA, those are coming in a little bit too hot for what the Fed wants to see. We're actually, Tricia, this is an interesting time right now. This week, we had a lot of reports where the scale is starting to tip. I got to get to the screen here. The scale is starting to tip a little bit right now with the reports that are coming in. And so we really think that interest rates are going to continue their slow slide down between now and the end of the year. And everyone's waiting for the magic Fed interest rate reduction, where they actually lower interest rates for the first time. Originally this year, they thought it would be as many as 3 to 4 reductions by the end of the year. Now they're only forecasting 1 by the end of the year. And likely that'll be a small one, 0.25% reduction or something like that, to again slowly start the trend over the coming years of the interest rates going down.